Eat with me. You want some? You look hungry. Come on.
Why did I look hungry?
I don't know, but you just look hungry. Have one. Let me feed you. Why? I hope my wife doesn't see this, but it's okay to feed your clients, right? Here, take a bite. I feed you. You like it? It's good, huh? Here. You can have one. Hold it. Hold it.
No,
Come on, don't be shy.
I don't want to.
Oh, you want me to feed you or what?
Look at all the
Eat.
all the
Have some. What's up, y'all? It is 2024 and I have some great news to share with you.
Hey,
What's up?
can we have a talk?
Yeah, what's up?
I saw that video of you feeding your client.
Yeah, what about it?
Why were you feeding your client?
I was just being nice to her, you know. I had some food and I just figured I just, gave her a share of my part of my food. That's it.
I mean, it's okay to offer her food, not to feed her.
Well, look, I didn't want her nails to get dirty.
How old was she?
I don't know how old she was. She wasn't old.
Were you feeding her? You didn't want her hands to get dirty?
Yes, and I promise you.
So you fed her with your hands?
Yes.
Did she lick your fingers too?
No, I was gonna tell you. I ensured that she did not lick my finger, and I made sure that she didn't take a bite of part of my finger skin.
Ugh, that is so gross.
What? I mean,
That's totally unacceptable.
look, I didn't mean it in a bad way. I just wanted to show some love to the customer. That's it.
Yeah, that's a lot of love. You didn't have
Come on, stop. I was just being nice to her. It wasn't a bad thing.
Yeah, I know you were being nice.
What is this?
That's your bed tonight.
God.